Hi, it is designing nail cards time. I feel like I haven't done these for ages and ages and ages. So, fingers crossed, if you've seen any of the other videos, you will know that it's just been a lot of short designs. So, fingers crossed for a longer one for the change. So, hope you're all okay. It's going to be fun. Sorry about the birds. It's because I have moved my desk around. My desk used to be facing the bird cage, but it got to the stage where I was constantly having to hoover it, dust it, just to even sit down and start anything because they get their feathers everywhere. So I've moved myself totally into a corner. Desk is facing the opposite way, so they can see me, but obviously the fact that I'm not sitting there facing them pees them off, but they'll get used to it. So I'm not the best at shuffling, but that's probably why we've ended up with loads of shorts. But there are other lengths in here, I swear. I double checked. So thank you to everybody who's taken part as well and gave it a go. I love seeing the videos, and a couple of you have sent me the pictures on Instagram. I really love it, and I really appreciate that you're giving it a go as well. I love to see, because everyone's brain works differently, do you know what I mean? But my point of the conversation was about moving my desk, because it's going to be fun, because obviously I've moved everything, so I ain't going to be able to find anything. But we'll go with it this time. Right, okay, do you think that's enough? Right. Let's see what we're doing today. Oh, okay. Black. I always used to have black nails, and now look at them. Sparkly. These are my little girly steampunk ones I made for myself. I love them. The design. Black floral. Okay. Right, product card. I'm going to do this one before I do the leg. Oh, friggin' spider jelly. You're having a laugh. Okay. Right. Fingers crossed for a decent length. Medium stiletto. I'll take that. Okay. So there's the cards. I'm going to go and get some stuff ready and get my gloves on. And we'll have a go and see what we can come up with. See you soon. Ooh.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.